It's overwhelming a little bit because of I don't know my Māori like everybody here, but I'm very, very proud of it and excited to feel the spirit in the room and the sharing of all the great athletes that are going to be recognized today. It's just that there's going to be a powerful energy that I think will come out of this.
How does it feel being back home after being away for so long and being inducted into the Māori Sports Hall of Fame tonight?
It's a great honor. I'm extremely humbled to come back home. It feels great. I was born here. My parents were born here. My legacy and my tribes are here. I'm excited to be here. I'm very honored to receive this award.
Wow.
Would you mind twisting? Yeah, twisting.
Oh, wow.
It's great to see that our Māori warrior culture can compete in America and be dominant with our mana and with our spirit, our warrior spirit. So I think that's it's great.